This is the problem number 51 of GATE 2019. Consider that state variable model is x1 dot x2 dot equals to matrix 0 1 minus alpha minus twice beta x1 x2 plus 0 alpha r, and y r is the input and y is the output. 1 0 x1 x2. The damping ratio and undamped natural frequency is given by. Okay, what we have the state variable model. So the x will be this 0 1 minus alpha minus twice beta, and b will be 0 alpha, c is 1 0 1 0, and d is equals to 0, right? Now we need to calculate the transfer function of the state variable. What we have, the transfer function formula Ts equals to C S I minus A inverse B plus D. Okay, now I need to erase this part. So the transfer function will be C means 1 0, and SI means S into identity matrix 1 0 0 1 minus A, this so 0 1 minus alpha minus twice beta and whole inverse into C into B means 0 alpha plus 0, D equals to 0. So if I calculate this 1 0, this will be S minus 1, and this is S plus alpha, this will be means alpha and this will be S plus 2s beta, right? This inverse into 0 alpha. One zero. For 2 cross 2 matrix inverse, we need to calculate the means date A. Say this is the formula we use. Suppose A B C D inverse is equals to date of this means determined of. Hey friends, I am just taking 20 seconds of your valuable time. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you are not, then please subscribe it, because this contribution from your side will really encourage me to do more videos like this. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. This matrix AD minus BC, we all know that, and this will be D. Just replace the position DA and minus of this coefficient. So this is the inverse technique. Okay, now if I do the same for this matrix, this will be 1 by S into S plus 2s beta plus alpha, and this will be S plus twice beta 1 minus alpha and S, and this into Okay, this. Now if I calculate the whole part, we get the transfer function as alpha divided by a square plus twice beta s plus alpha, right? So the characteristics equation of this transfer function will be a square plus twice beta s plus alpha equals to 0, right? Now we have a general characteristics equation. What we have? The general characteristics equation is a square plus twice zeta omega n plus omega n square equals to 0. Now if we just take the similarity of these two equation, the omega n will be root over alpha, and that is equals to natural frequency. And for this part, if we this will be s, and we if we calculate the equate this to this part, we have 2 zeta omega n, that is equals to twice beta. Okay, so if I cancel out the 2, this zeta equals to b by omega n, and that is equals to beta divided by root over alpha. So this is the damping ratio and this is the natural frequency.